Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Meet. So if you guys want to do a meeting through Google Meets, you just need to install the app first in your mobile phone, or you can do that also in your laptop or your computer, but I'm using the mobile phones here, so I'm going to show you how to do that or to set up a meeting in Google Meets apps. So you just need to open the apps after installing, and you need to make sure that you log in into your account or your Google account in your phone. And then the next step that you need to do is you can either join with a code when you role as an audience and you have the code. You can just paste the code here and then click on join. But if you're the one hosting the meeting, you can just click on new meeting, and then there are three choices that you can do. You can get a meeting link to share, and you can also start an instant meeting, and you can also schedule in Google Calendar. So if you want to start a meeting right away, you can just click on this, and then the meeting will be open like this, and you can just share the invite to your friends or colleagues. Okay, so that is how you can set up a meeting in Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.